In this tutorial, we will discuss wipe transitions. It contains three types: basic wipe transitions, wipe and pan transitions, and wipe and zoom transitions. I have loaded 3 videos. Select the second video. Go to Menu Add. Click Effect Strip. Click Transform. A transform strip in green is added to the sequencer. Select the transform by clicking. Change blend to overdrop. It is very important. If you forget it, it will not take effect. Change the current frame number of 400. It means that from frame 300 to frame 400, we will add a transition. Usually, the length of a transition only has 20 to 30 frames. Here, to demonstrate clearly, I use the length of 100 frames. Before changing the parameters, for the translation, select the translation by clicking. Here, I only change the Y position of the second video. In the frame of 400, the transition should be finished. Therefore, the Y is 0. Add a keyframe. By moving the mouse into the field, and clicking mouse right button, a pop-up menu is shown. Click Insert Keyframe. 2 changes: the field becomes yellow, and the small circle besides the fields is turned to a diamond. To understand the relationship between Y value and the effects, move the current frame to the middle of 300 and 400. Move the mouse into the field, holding the mouse left button, and moving to left or right, to change the value. You will see, when the value of Y is -100, the figure will disappear. Therefore, in the beginning of the second video, the Y value should be -100. Change the current frame to 301. Select the transform strip. Change Y value to -100. Clicking mouse right button, click Insert Keyframe. Move the second video to the frame of 200. Here, movie 1 is not changed. The Y values for the movie 2 are linear, changing from -100 to 0, when frame number is changing from 200 to 300. We have investigated how to add basic wiping transition. Now, let us study how to add wiping and panning transition. 2 videos are added to the sequencer. Select the first video. Go to Menu Add, click Effect Strip. Click Transform. Move the current frame to 200. Select the transform. Keep the position Y of 0, add a keyframe. Move the current frame to 300. Select the transform. Keep on changing the value of position Y. When position Y reaches to 100, the picture disappear. Therefore, change position Y to 100. Add a keyframe. Change blend to overdrop. It is very important. Select the second video. Change the current frame to 301. Add a transform for the second video. Keep on changing the value of position Y. When position Y reaches to -100, the picture disappear. Therefore, change position Y to -100. Add a keyframe. Change blend to overdrop. It is very important. Move the current frame to 400. Change position Y to 0. Add a keyframe. Move the second movie to the frame of 200. Play. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.